So what we're doing now is we're doing the replacement of the probe. So step by step, gently we pull the heating cable out. If it is stuck, then don't try hard, just shake it until you make it out. Okay, so we took the small part, do it a bit slower. Okay, so this part is already out, and now the nut is released and we open. Nice. Now we have the connector of the probe. This is the female part, and it is out. So now we take a new one. Okay, so now we have a new probe, fixed one from the repair kit, and we hold it on this side and just gently pull back the conduit, and you can see the sensor already peeps from the other side. Now we can connect the new probe. Exactly. Now we have the gasket. We need to put it on the connector. Just like that. Now we need to close the nut. Great, so now we have our new sensor, and we need to put the small section to separate it from the heating body. And you can see it can touch the heating element, and we can insert everything back just the way it was. Put the cap again, and we can now connect the power socket again, and we will see the probe is working. That's it.